The conscious mind and the subconscious mind are profoundly different. Neuroscientists believe that our conscious mind represents 5 to 10% of our mind's capability and functions, and the subconscious mind represents between 90 and 95% of our mind's functions. So let's take a closer look at the conscious mind first. The conscious mind is your thinking mind. It takes the information coming in from all 5 of your senses, from sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. And it interprets this information coming in from the 5 senses, and then sends these interpretations into the subconscious mind for processing. The subconscious mind then takes the information and tells your conscious mind and your body what to do. The conscious mind also is the part of your mind that has your desires, goals, and dreams and what you want from life in it. If these desires and wants are not in alignment with how your subconscious mind has been programmed, you will have inner conflict, emotional stress, self-doubt, and self-sabotage. When they are in alignment, you will be focused, relaxed, confident, powerful, and happy. The 2 most powerful functions of your conscious mind are the ability to direct your focus and choose your thoughts, and the ability to imagine something that is not real, the use of your imagination. These abilities of the subconscious mind are really nothing less than extraordinary. Most people believe that the conscious mind is controlling and shaping their lives, that their goals and desires and present thinking will determine the outcome of their life. Although the conscious mind is extraordinary and powerful and very important, it is a very important part of our mind. It is not, however, in control of your life, not even close. Your subconscious mind is what is really running the show. As I stated earlier, it makes up 90 to 95% of the capabilities and function of our mind. This is why some things never change, and some people never change. You can really become frozen in time if your subconscious mind is not updated and reprogrammed. So let's take a closer look at the boss, at the real boss, called the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is a part of the mind where all of your most profound memories and life experiences since birth have been stored. Psychologists and neurological scientists believe that even in the womb, the environments we are in and our mother's beliefs, thoughts, moods, and both of our parents' DNA are shaping our subconscious mind. It is these powerful memories, vibrations, experiences, and DNA that shape who you are and are creating your self-concept and your life. Your subconscious mind is like a machine, a recorder. Think of it, as I said earlier, as a computer cloud. And when you experience, hear, and or feel something consistently, dramatically, or painfully, the subconscious mind records it and creates something like a mind belief file. This mind belief file is then put into the cloud of your subconscious mind. The belief files in the subconscious mind stay there forever and they never change. They stay the same forever. The belief files in your subconscious mind, whether good or bad, will last a lifetime unless you update them and/or delete and create new files. The belief files about your assigned man-made race were stored there at a very young age. Some of these files were put there before you were born, from your parents' DNA and from the environments your mother was in before you were born. This is why even if you were born into a perfect world, free of any of the 4 toxins, there could still be some disempowering files in your subconscious mind, passed down from the 4 toxins your great-grandparents, grandparents, or parents experienced. This is very concerning because the subconscious mind is the home of your self-concept and self-worth. This means that a part of your self-concept has been created before you were born. And we all know how horrific and disempowering the 4 toxins of the past were.